So to fix this problem, commonly what you have to do is to just tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then after that restart or reboot your device. And when this is still not working, or this problem is not getting fixed, what you have to do again is to go to your Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store and tap on update over here to get the latest update of it. After that, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for the name of the app, which is Lloyds app. So when you find it, just tap on it for some while with your finger. Then after that, tap over here to get to the app info of this app. So now tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Then after tapping on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Then go back, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. After that, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this background data is turned on. Go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. After that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK to reboot or restart your device. And with this problem, I hope with this fixing process, this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.